guys, welcome to another Q&A, and today I'm going to be answering one of the most frequently asked questions from you guys, and that is how to avoid dry hair when you really need to wash your hair every single day. And you guys have really emphasized that dry shampoo is not even an option. It's like you really need to wash your hair every single day, especially to some of you who are doing, field work, or maybe in your job it really requires you to travel from one place to another. Of course, you encounter pollution and dirt, or maybe you're into sports and you're working out every single day and you really have to wash your hair, because if not, your hair is gonna smell. And at the end of the day, I get it. Everyone wants to feel like their hair is fresh and clean and sweat free. So I really do understand that, because this is actually a concern that some of my friends brought up, and also my sister has brought up, because they have been watching my videos, and also I've been expressing it to you guys so many times that it is very ideal that if you want to grow your hair long and healthy, it is good not to wash your hair every single day. Maybe wash your hair every other day, twice a week. And according to some people, it is even best to wash your hair just once a week, because as we all know, if you wash your hair every single day, it makes your hair dry, because the shampoo strips off the natural oils in your hair, so that's why your hair gets dry. Okay, so here are some tips that I can give you all to avoid dry hair if you really need to wash your hair every single day. Alright, so the first one that you can do is you can use organic shampoos that doesn't contain SLS. Now, SLS stands for sodium lauryl sulfate, and this is usually the #1 cleaning agent that is found in your shampoo. So of course, if you use this every day, you'd notice that your hair is dry, because it strips off the natural oils on your hair. So in order to avoid this, look for a shampoo that doesn't contain SLS, and as I've said, go for an organic shampoo, because that is safer to use on your hair every single day versus using your regular shampoo that contains SLS. Or you can also go for herbal shampoos as long as it doesn't contain SLS. Okay, so tip number 2 on the days to where you don't use shampoo on your hair: wash your hair with conditioner. So you can still wet your hair, but instead of using shampoo all over your hair, just use conditioner to wash your hair. I actually gave this advice to some of my friends, and I found that this technique works for them. I know that maybe this may not work for everybody, but just go ahead and try if this technique works for you. Tip number 3 is to use a shampoo and conditioner type of shampoo. I know that's very confusing, but right here in the Philippines, we have this hair product that is actually a conditioner and also a shampoo. It's like already mixed together, so you don't necessarily have to use a shampoo and then a conditioner after. It's just mixed all in one. I think Palmolive has that, and I find that that shampoo is also great to use, because even if you use it every day on your hair, it doesn't really dry out your hair, because as I've said, that shampoo already contains conditioner. So that's also another option for you guys. And then the fourth one is, this is just basically a technique, but instead of using shampoo all over your hair, because mostly when people use shampoo, they basically use it all over their hair, but the purpose of shampoo usually is just to clean your scalp. So if that is your only aim, especially when you're sweating and all that, you just want your scalp to be clean, just focus the shampoo, putting the shampoo basically just on your scalp and not really all over your hair, because if you put the shampoo all over your hair, of course your hair is going to get dry if you do that every single day. So if ever you're going to use shampoo, just use it on your scalp and then just apply the conditioner on the rest of your hair. And tip number 5, use a deep conditioner once a week, especially if you have dry and damaged hair and you really have to use shampoo on your hair every single day. It's really good to incorporate in your hair care routine of just deep conditioning your hair once a week to hydrate and moisturize your hair again. So that is it, you guys. These are the tips. I don't want any one of you to feel bad that you're washing your hair every single day because you have to, and not really following the rule of not washing your hair every single day. So in your situation, do the best that you can for your hair. Whatever it is that is convenient to do for you right now, just do it. Alright, so that is it, you guys. I hope you all found this video helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!